Hello guys, this is the trader and I'm gonna show you in this video my quick trade recap, the trade I took yesterday. So I start from one. I forgot to record the video yesterday, so I'm gonna show you today. So on 1 hour time frame, we was in this bullish favorable gap, but we can disrespected this bullish failed consecutive encroachment, so I thought price would go up. Also on 15-minute time frame, we disrespected this favorable gap here we had, and after that disrespect I moved it to 1 minute time frame. Not that yet. Where did my trade? Here. I moved it to 1 minute time frame. So as you can see here, let me open this. So what happened? We had displacement, this little retracement into this brick block here. After that, price retraced into this favorable gap here, the BPR. I entered here. I had my stop here, really tight stop, and not really understandable. So after that, I thought this was just retracement here. Let me get this. So after I got stopped out here, I lost like $80 like that. Then I entered here again. I put my take profit here. I put my stop loss here. I took my first take profit to these highs here, and I got stopped on the break even. So here like $80, no, $80 here I won, and here I took $20, so $100 from this trade. uh this is different challenge, so I'm risking low to get better, the consistency on the account. So after this we had consolidation, and I knew that price gonna take this new game high uh because it was 500 took it already. So when it was 500 takes the New York aim high and makes SMT always fails. Nasdaq is always superior, and Nasdaq always takes the high. So as you can see here, after that I entered from this inverse favorable gap. I put my stop loss below this lows here, and I put my take profit here to this side. So it's like $200 trade. That's all for today, guys. I will see you next time. Bye.